Are you okay with that? I can help. Too heavy. I can help. Oops.
Why you don't put a lot?
Okay. And then you can put a little bit of liquid detergent. More. You can put more. Okay, that's enough, my dear. And then you can put the food coloring. I will open for you. You can put, not all. Okay, a bit more. That's enough, okay. And then put the baking soda. Use two hands like that. Put already. Now you can put the vinegar, my dear. Let's see. It's gonna explode now. Stir first. Stir. Now the final ingredients, my dear. Put the vinegar. Give me. Put the vinegar. Careful. Be careful in your eyes. Ooh, mommy. Put more vinegar. Put more. You can put more vinegar. You can put a lot. See? Put more. Ooh. You like it?
Volcano.
Oh, enough. Did you like it? Wow. Do you like it? Are you happy to make your volcano? Yes, kid.
Very nice.
Nice?
Can we put this?